Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a picture on Capcut. Let's get to it. Here I have opened my Capcut and we're going to edit picture using Capcut. So the first thing we should do is clicking on this new project. Then choose the picture that you want to edit, guys. And we can click on photos option right here to choose the picture. And I'm going to edit, wait for a moment, guys. You can scroll your screen until you find the picture that you want to edit, and I'm going to edit this picture, so just click on the picture, and instead of clicking on add, we have to click on edit photo to edit this picture. Alright, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Alright, and we can edit this picture as we like. We can put stickers, we can add folders, or we can change the background. It's up to you. And I'm just going to put folders to this picture, and choose the folder that you like. You can scroll your screen, you can scroll to the right or to the left to find the folder that you like. So I'm just gonna click on this brown folder. Then don't forget to click on this check mark after you choose the folder that you like, and you can also put stickers. It's up to you, and you can put text as well, and you can explore it by yourself, guys. And if you want to save this picture, you can click on export right here to save the picture to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit picture on Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.